Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you speak English?
Yes, ma'am, I can speak a little.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am, my name is Yi Tui. Call me Yi. I am 35 years old. I am single. I am Buddhist. My education level is high school. My height is 155 cm and my weight is 52 kg.
What is your date of birth?
My date of birth is 27 May 1990.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brothers. I am number 3.
Do you have working experience in overseas?
I am part-time to Singapore.
Okay. What kind of job do you want to do in Singapore?
I can do like take care baby, children, elderly, and do general hours.
Do you have experience as a helper?
I have experience as a helper about 2 years in Yangon, 2092, 2021, 2-story house, 3 room, 2 toilets.
Okay. How many family members?
They have 4 family members, 87-year-old grandmother, son, man, and 1 children, 3-year-old boy.
What is your duty?
My duty is take care grandmother, take care 1 children, and do general house.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am, I can cook only Myanmar food, but I'm willing to learn Singapore food.
What kind of Myanmar food can you cook?
Yes, ma'am, I can cook like chicken, pork, beef, fried chicken, fried rice, fried noodle, porridge, vegetable, and salt.
What kind of meat you cannot eat?
I can eat everything, ma'am.
Why do you want to go to Singapore?
Because I want to support my family and save money for my future.
Are you scared of dog and cat?
No, ma'am, I am not scared.
Can you do hand washing and hand mopping?
Yes, ma'am, I can do.
You have to sign 2-year contract, do you know?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Are you hardworking?
I am hardworking.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I am hardworking.
How long do you plan to work in Singapore?
I want to work more than very long, 5 years.
You want to work very long, more than 5 years, okay? Okay, we find for you good employer.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Thank you very much.